So, what about leveraging some of the work that's already been done in terms of being able to bring through working magic boards from the library that I have created or our team has created? Well, you can do that. And to do that, you head over to the library and come into Draft. And what you'll see is this little toggle here, Show Installable Boards. And this is your list of instant install boards. If you go ahead and click this, it's going to show you a list of a number of boards that have already been created across various areas of business. And what you can do is go ahead and click this button over here to view them. Let's say that we just want to have a look at a customer journey. I can view what steps, document the URL, create the customer journey, link to customer avatar board, and the customer journey is all there. Let's say at that point I like that one. What I'm going to do is click install, and it's going to copy all of the steps and the results involved in that magic board into your account. This will mean that you can make changes to it and it won't affect the instant installs. Let's say also I really like the customer avatar AI, and I'm going to install that one as well. And now I'm like, you know what, for the moment, I don't need any of these other ones. I'm just going to click this and it will hide all of the installable boards. But notice now that in our draft section, we have these two new ones, create customer journey and create customer avatar. And so if I come into these and I can see that while there's no team members assigned, there is already the steps to do. Some of them have detail as well as the results. And I might say, you know what, I like this one, I'm going to hit that, and it will bring it across to my library, ready to use. And then also, let's say that I'm having a look at my customer, dream customer, initial avatar, complete basic demographics, paste into ChatGPT, problems during working, problems after, and then down in our result groups, we've got our dream avatar name, picture and psychographics, as well as the template, the output, the problems of working together, and during. So all of this come in, and let's say that I do like this, I'm like, okay, let's bring those in. And then now what I've done is gone from a set of instructions that were available in the instant install list, but you've brought them across, and any changes that you make to these ones will be yours. Let's say that I now want to run that customer AI for the dream customer avatar, and I just click run, and suddenly what we have is the dream customer avatar AI ready for you to work on. So it's coming out of instant install into your library, and then to do the work in it, you need to bring it out of your library and into your active boards. This rapidly gets you all of the steps and all of the results that you want in order to go through and very quickly create your dream customer avatar AI. You don't need to extract it from the webinar. You don't need to extract it from the book. All of that work is already done.